Hey there, real estate pros. Got your coffee? Great. Today we're diving into the essential measuring tools every real estate professional should have in their toolkit. First off, let's talk about tape measures. The trusty old tape measure is a staple. It's perfect for measuring small spaces, tight corners, and detailed work. I always keep one handy for those moments when I need precision. For instance, if you're measuring a closet or a bathroom, nothing beats the flexibility of a tape measure. Next up, laser measuring devices. These little gadgets are game changers. They're super accurate over long distances and can save you a ton of time, especially in open spaces. Imagine measuring a large living room or a garage in just seconds. Plus, some models come with Bluetooth connectivity so you can transfer measurements directly to your smartphone or tablet. Talk about efficiency. Then, there's the measuring wheel. If you've got a big outdoor space to measure, this is your best friend. It's perfect for determining the perimeter of a property, driveways, and yard boundaries. It's not as precise as a laser or tape measure for smaller spaces, but it's incredibly useful for those long stretches. Now let's touch on why accurate measurements matter. First, property valuations. Square footage is critical in determining a property's market value. Inaccurate measurements can mislead buyers, sellers, and lenders, leading to disputes or financial losses. I've seen properties overvalued due to inflated square footage, causing headaches for everyone involved. For project planning and execution, precise measurements are vital. Homeowners and contractors need accurate dimensions to plan renovations, purchase materials, and ensure everything fits as intended. A miscalculation can result in wasted time and extra costs. And don't forget legal compliance. Many real estate transactions require adherence to standards like the Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisal Practice, USPAP, and ANSI Z765 standards. Accurate measurements ensure your work holds up under scrutiny. Finally, efficiency. The right measuring tools save you time, allowing you to complete tasks faster without sacrificing precision. This can set you apart in a competitive market. So, whether you're a seasoned appraiser, a realtor handling complex listings, or a homeowner planning renovations, these tools will elevate your accuracy and efficiency. That's it for today's quick guide. Remember, having the right tools isn't just helpful, it's a game changer. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips. See you next time.